In this video, I'll show you how to hide the battery icon on the status bar. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Display. Next, scroll down and select Status Bar. Then tap Battery Style. From the available options, choose Battery Hidden. This will remove the battery icon from your status bar. After that, go back and turn off the Show Battery Percentage option if it's enabled. This will also hide the battery percentage from the status bar. Once you've completed these steps, the battery icon and battery percentage will no longer appear in the status bar. Keep in mind that these settings may not be available on all Android devices. The exact menu names and options can vary depending on your phone's manufacturer, Android version, and software skin. And that's how to hide the battery icon on the status bar. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.